Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Shopify POS so you can start selling your products in person. This is helpful if you have a physical store, a pop-up shop, a market booth, or any place where customers buy from you face-to-face. Shopify POS lets you take orders from a phone or tablet, add products to the cart, take payment, and keep your sales connected to your Shopify store. So let's go step by step. Step 1. Open your Shopify admin. First, go to your Shopify admin and log into your store. Once you are inside your admin, look at the left side menu. From there, you want to find the Point of Sale section. If you do not see Point of Sale right away, go to Apps or go to Sales Channels and look for Point of Sale from there. The goal here is simple. You need to make sure Shopify POS is added to your store before you can start using it for in-person selling. Once you open the Point of Sale section, Shopify may show you a setup page. This page helps you get your store ready for selling in person. Step 2. Install the Shopify POS app on the device you want to use. This can be your phone or your tablet. Open the App Store if you use an iPhone or iPad. Open Google Play if you use an Android device. Search for Shopify POS. Then install the app. After the app is installed, open it. Now log in using the same Shopify account that you use for your store. If Shopify asks you to choose a store, select the store where you want to sell in person. After that, the app should connect to your store. Now choose your store location. Now you need to choose the location where you are selling. This is important because Shopify needs to know where the sale is happening. For example, you might have one location for your main shop, one location for a market booth, or one location for a stock room. In your Shopify admin, go to Settings, then go to Locations. Here, check if your selling location is already added. If it is not added yet, click Add Location. Type the location name, then add the address. After that, save it. Now go back to Point of Sale. Make sure the right location is connected to your POS setup. This helps Shopify track which products are available at that location. Now add staff members. If you have workers helping you sell in person, you can add them to Shopify POS. From your Shopify admin, go to Point of Sale. Then go to Staff. Add the staff member you want to use. Give them access to Shopify POS. Shopify may also let you create a PIN for that staff member. A PIN is a short number they can use to open the POS app. This is helpful because each sale can be connected to the person who made it. So if you have more than one worker, you can see who handled each sale. Only give access to people you trust. And that is how you set up Shopify POS for in-person selling. Take your time with each step, especially the payment setup, location setup, and test sale. Once those parts are working, the rest becomes much easier. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.